Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting a job in Newport Richey at a new development. So what we're doing today is a 2-car with baseboards. So we're all set up to get started. We're going to grind off this paint that they put down. We're going to sand and fill these control joints. That's going to give us a really nice seamless surface. So as you can see, we're all set up for our grinding. So we're going to grind this back down to the original concrete so we get a really good bond with our epoxy. Everything's in pretty good shape. The apron's going to stay gray, but we are definitely going to dress up this lead-in edge, which is really going to need a lot of work, as you can see along here. So we're going to clean up all that patching and construction material. So let's get started. Okay, here's our finished product. We're all done with this 2-car with baseboard. So we sanded and filled the expansion joints through the full diamond grinding, removed the coating, as well as the cure and seal. Here's what the baseboards look like. I always like when they have a top and a side. Just finishes it real nice, as you can see here. So we did do some repairs, especially along the lead-in edge. They're usually very rough, and we ground that all back and got back down to solid material. And then what we did was where it was chipped off, we put our epoxy compound in there and reformed it over to give a nice edge. And again, the expansion joints were sanded and filled. And that's how we get this really nice looking seamless surface to the floor. It's just an extra step that we try to take. Just delivers a nicer product. So here's what that lead-in edge looks like now. This color is Dolphin. And that's where we did that repair in the corner. We ground that back and then we refilled it. And the customer's gonna repaint back down to this, but now it's nice and flush and filled. And when he paints that, it will just disappear. Never know it was there. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.